Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Today, I will teach you the text, Funny Bunny. Last day, I have just told you, I have taught you the story. Happy Durga Puja, beta. Everybody. And every day I am telling that when you are going outside, please wear the mask, and also at the same time you should use sanitizer. Not only that, after returning from anywhere, please you should wash your hands and also hands, leg, face very nicely. Okay. So please today you will do the class of Funny Bunny. Funny Bunny, I have told you that a nut fell on Funny Bunny. So Funny Bunny was telling that sky is going to fall and I must tell the king. The sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. And not only that, while going to the king, he got the companion. To whom? Henny Penny, Lucky Ducky, and Pushy Gushy, and Waxy Foxy. After that, you know that what happened? Everybody went to that king's den and also they killed or they died. So here, last day also I have given that short form. I am, I will, of, and we are. So page number 83, we can do that, page number 83. Page number 83, reading is a fun. One day, a nut fell on Funny Bunny. A nut fell. So we have to write a nut. Funny Bunny wanted to tell the king, the cock, the sky, what he saw. Tell the king. And next, who said these words in this story? Who said these words? Okay, everybody is writing that Susan, Kaushik, Amurto, Lisa, Kaushik, Happy Durga Puja. Yes, beta, everybody. Happy Durga Puja to you also. But please, at the same time, you should maintain the safe distance. But one thing, you should enjoy the puja in your home. Okay? And this time, you should enjoy your puja with your family members, with your parents and family members. Okay, and when your mother will make delicious food, you should help. Okay, obviously you should help to them. Then after you will see once that food will be more tasty to you, not only you, to your parents also and grandparents also. Okay, then they thought that you were helping to your parents, so they will be very happy, and obviously your mother will be very happy. Okay, next, who said these words in this story? Ouch, the sky is falling down. So please write like this. Number one, who said this to whom? Who said this to whom? Who said this to whom? If you want, you can write in the book, or if you want, you can write in your copy. Okay, beta? Ouch, the sky is falling down. So, number one, Funny Bunny said to himself. Number two, I must tell the king. I must tell the king. So where do you know that? Please answer me if you know that. I must tell the king. That is also funny bunny. Funny bunny said to himself. Said to himself. Next one. The king lives here. King lives here. Who is telling? So here I am rubbing this one. Number 3. Waxy Foxy. Waxy Foxy said to the all animals. All animals. And number 4 also, that follow me. Follow me also. They are telling that Waxy Foxy said to the all animals. Waxy Foxy said to the all animals. Said to the all animals. So this is number 4. So 4, obviously, Funny Bunny said to himself, Shrestha, not said himself. Said to himself. Always, here also Susan has written that right sentences. So please, and next question, so what happened to all the animals in the end? What happened? So next question is here. I am writing the question. If you want, also you can write what happened to all the animals. All the animals at the end. So, okay, you have written very nicely, Susan. Okay. So, this question answered, you can write that the king or Waxy Foxy killed all animals and ate them. Okay, and ate them. We don't know who had eaten them. So king or Waxy Foxy killed all the animals and ate them. Okay, because they had entered in the den. And after that, they have given that Funny Bunny, Cocky Locky, Henny Fenny, Pussy Goosey and Waxy Foxy. Last day, I have told that, please, all this spelling you should do. Okay, please, all this spelling you should do. So here, next, stay allowed. Ouch, pouch, coach. That is couch, not coach. Couch also you can tell that. Follow, hollow, swallow. Down, town, frown. Break, lay, sway. All these words, there is a meaning. Ouch, pouch. Pouch means one small packet. Couch. Couch also some type of chair or sitting things also like this. Follow. Follow means someone is moving or persuade. That is also follow, moving like this. Hollow. Hollow means there is nothing. Swallow. Swallow means someone is taking that. This gobbling. Gile fella. Down, town, frown. Frown means means irritating. Buru kuchkano. Okay, irritating some things. Bray. Bray. Bray is a calling of donkey. Calling of donkey. Clay. Clay means soil. And sway means also moving. Circle odd one out. Page number 84. Page number 84. Page number 84. We can do it. Bun, sun, fun, gun, one. Please do this. Bun, sun, fun, gun, one. Sun, fun, gun, one. Only one we can circle. Next one, bed, fed, led, said, read. So bed, fed, led, read. Same spelling. Next one, said. Third one, he, me, be, t or we. Okay. We or t, T-E-A. We, say, he, pay, they. So, they, we can do it, they. Who has given the Shrestha? Yes, beta. So, that is they. Please circle that, odd one. Find the opposite and given the words to make sentence. I will make one sentence. Please, you will also make one sentence. Okay, that is your homework. Page number 84, fat. Tell me, fat opposite. Kaushik, how many times you are writing to me the Happy Durga Puja? I know that. It should be happy for everybody. Yes. So, fat, thin. Thin. Okay. I can tell that. Fat, thin. The thin boy is running. Fall. Fall. Can you tell that? Kaushik, please tell. Fall opposite. Kaushik, Shuzan, Shrestha, tell that, then I will write. Fall. Boy is running, not actually thin. Thin boy is running. Thin we have to make sentences. Fall down, no. Fall means fall down. But then, can I write on my own? Yes, obviously. Fall up. Yes, Shomagni has given the answer. Up. Very good. But one thing, up. Thin, you have to use that. Okay, up. Okay, I am writing up. The boy or the girl. G-I, girl, is going up by ladder. Okay, you can make your sentence, own sentences, no problem for that. Then start. Start. Finish. No, start, not stop. Start and finish. Okay, stop you can tell, but start and finish. Oh, no problem if you are telling that stop, finish. So, we should complete, okay, Srija, Lisa, completed, you can tell me that. Start, finish, stop also we can tell, no problem for that. So, if you want to make sentence by the stop, that also, we should stop talking, okay, always. And while going to the class, and start, finish if I am writing that. Okay, beta. And finish, so please write the sentence with finish. End also, we can tell, Oshmit. we should finish our classwork. We should finish our classwork. Next, start, end also. Whatever you are making that, you can make sentence. Then come, come, go, go. We should, or we know the children. The children always go fast. Please write the sentence. Then big, big, small, big, small. So that also you can write the sentence. Here thin I am rubbing that. So big, small. The playground is very small. Playground is only one word, is very small. Okay. Playground is very small. Okay. Traffic light also you can write the traffic light is small. No problem for that. So just I am rubbing that one, and page number 85 we can go that. Page number 85. I read a funny story of funny rabbit. One day a nut fell on his head. He thought that sky is falling, or sky, he thought that, so sky was falling. Number 1, number 2 gap, was falling. Because thought is the past tense, so we should write in the past tense. So he went to tell the king. On the way he met different animals. All of them joined him. At last they met a clever fox. It took them to forest and ate them all up. Okay. If you have completed, you can revise it, and if you did not complete, you can write it. And obviously, I will write for you, and any person they did not complete, they can write from my board. Okay. So next one, page number 85. On funny bunny fell a nut one day. Please write. One day, rearrange. One day, a nut fell on funny bunny. Funny bunny. Number 2, funny bunny said the sky is falling down. Okay. Very good. Who is writing? That's Susan. Okay. So number 1 is like this. Number 2, funny bunny said the sky is falling down. Falling down. I must tell the king. Number 3. I must tell the king. Number 4. The king lives here. Number 4, the king lives here. And next 2 pages are there. That is, for example, fell, tell, down, met. If you want, you can do this. I will tell that. Change only one letter. Page number 86. Page number 86. Down. Fell, tell, down. You have got it. Downtown. Okay. So, you can write downtown. Change only one letter. Met. Only one letter of the. Make another rhyming word. Please write, Susan. Next one, met. Met. Please write. Gown also you can write. Met. Set. S-E-T. Set. Way. Lay. Okay. King. Sing. Soon. Please write soon. Mate, pet also you can do that. Soon. Soon moon. Bat. Cat. So all the words are there. Look at the pictures. Give the animals the right names. That what they are. Give the animals the right names. Henny penny, cocky locky, ducky lucky, and that waxy foxy. All these are. Okay. So please write this. Page number 86. And there is a story. Narrate the story in your language, then in English. Please write this story. I will tell on the next day. Page number 87. So I think you are not having any problem of this funny bunny. I have written all the question answer. Okay. You are giving the name also. Very good. What are you giving the name? Deboshmita. Coconut. That is chick, beta. You have to write the name. King ring. Very good. King ring. Also. Shun moon. Very good. Susan, they are giving. Okay, any another one? Kaushik. Bat mat, bat rat, bat anything, bat cat, anything. Only one word you can change. Yes. Mate set. Obviously mate set I have written also. What are you telling? Written that? What he has given the name? I could not understand. Please type it. Oshmi Pal. Oh, Oshmi Pal, not sorry. What? Who is this? So if you are having any problem, please write me in my chat. Then okay, beta. Happy Durga Puja. Please stay safe and healthy in your home. Enjoy your puja with your family. Please go outside. If you go outside, wear mask, maintain distances, use sanitizer. Okay, beta? Thank you. Have a nice day. Happy puja also. Thank you, beta.